Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make silica from rice husk ash. First, you'll need to gather your rice husks, which are a readily available agricultural byproduct. The initial step involves preparing these husks for combustion to create the ash. This method offers an eco-friendly way to produce a highly sought-after industrial material. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure a successful conversion from waste to valuable silica. The journey begins with proper preparation of the rice husks. Ensure they are thoroughly washed to eliminate any soil or foreign particles that could contaminate your final product. After washing, it's crucial to dry them completely, as moisture can hinder efficient combustion. Next, the husks are incinerated in a controlled environment, ideally between 500 and 700 degrees Celsius, to produce a white or gray ash rich in silica. Once you have your rice husk ash, the next critical step is acid leaching. This involves treating the ash with an acid solution, commonly hydrochloric acid, to dissolve and remove unwanted metallic impurities. The goal is to achieve a high-purity silica product. After the acid treatment, carefully filter the mixture and wash the remaining solid multiple times with deionized water to ensure all acid residues are removed. Finally, after the purification process, the silica needs to be dried. Heat the purified silica at a temperature between 100 and 120 degrees Celsius until all moisture is gone. Once dry, grind the silica into a fine powder, making it suitable for a wide range of industrial applications, such as in rubber, plastics, or even as a catalyst. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.